sitting in front of the table and thinking of childhood memories of a true companion at tea time. You may remember our true companion Parle G with memories of dunking crisp biscuit in hot cup of milk tea or coffee and quickly eating the soggy piece before it crumbles back to the cup. Many of our friends would have put 2 or 3 Parle G biscuits in a tea, drank the tea and then ate the crumbled biscuit with a spoon from the bottom of the cup. Many of us would have enjoyed Parle G in our leisure time or during tea with our family. After this introduction of our true tea companion, let's enjoy the history of that great biscuit called Parle G. Parle, a household name in India, traces its roots back to 1929 when it was founded by Mohanlal Dayal Chauhan. Mohanlal Chauhan, who was a silk trader based in Mumbai, was deeply influenced by Swadeshi movement. He sailed to Germany to learn the art of confectionery making and returned to India in 1929. In the same year, Mohanlal bought an old factory to manufacture confectionaries. The factory was located between 2 villages, Irla and Parla. It was from this village the name Parle was derived. The plant was initially set up with 12 men, while Chauhan's family themselves served multiple roles like engineers, managers, and confectionery makers. The first confectionery which was prepared was orange candy, followed by other confectioneries and toffees. After 10 years, in 1939, in the midst of World War II, the company baked its first biscuits called Parle Gluco biscuits. This gave rise to the India's most iconic biscuit, Parle G. Earlier, biscuits were imported from England and was very expensive. Hence, it was considered for consumption of royal and elite people. During those days, some of the brands that ruled the market were Huntley and Palmer's, Glaxo, and United Biscuits. To counter this, Parle Gluco was introduced, which was affordable source of nourishment for common people. It quickly gained momentum and gained prominent place in public and was also in much demand among British Army during World War II. Parle introduced India's first salted cracker and the most loved across age biscuit called Monaco in 1942. They also created India's longest oven of around 250 feet long. Soon after India's independence in 1947, there was a shortage of wheat as after the partition, India was left with only 63% of wheat cultivation area. It was this time company urged to do with barley biscuits. With an advertisement saluting the Indians who sacrificed their life for our freedom. In 1960, Parle felt a pinch with their competitors like Britannia's Glucose D. To counter this, the company decided to have a unique yellow packaging with a plump little girl called Parle-G Girl printed on it, which was just an illustration and not a real person. This also didn't help the company to distinguish its biscuit from others, so it repacked and renamed the biscuits from Parle Gluco to Parle-G, where G stands for glucose. Parle-G has proved a brand image can be built by providing low price and high quality, especially when your product is loved by your customers.